And you can see while making the video itself, I made over $795. This is real money. Take a screenshot, whatever you want to take, just with 2 trades on an account less than $600. I made more than my capital, doubled. And yeah, it's a real money. I can just withdraw if you want. What's up, my Immortal fams, and welcome back to our channel Arcade Immortal. And today's video I'm going to share another part 3 because this was requested. You wanted me to tell you how to use Trade Assistant, which I showed on my group, but you wanted me to make a video where I'm doing the live trading and showing an account which is almost like double. So right now I have the trades running, so I will just explain how I'm doing it. And also I have given another lot size calculator for gold because we are ready to do gold. Gold is insanely profitable, and I will just show you what kind of profits we are making. And even the stop loss is much better. Like, you can reduce the stop loss from last videos. You can have like half of the stop loss, and even less, like only 2-3 pips or even 1 pip is enough for a stop loss because we have a upgraded strategy. And this lot size calculator, everything will be given if you are in my team on Exness. And this strategy works only on a broker which has at least 1:1000 leverage. Okay, nothing below it. 1:1 500 also will not work. Don't have that. Only 1:1000 plus. More than that will be best for this. And Exness gives unlimited leverage up to $1000, so that's the best strategy to have a lower level, like a lower account than $1000, and trade on Exness. So the upgraded files have much more options, and I will just tell you the upgraded instruction how to do it. But you can see before that, see, double account. This is real account. You can see it's given in here. Wait, maybe you cannot see because of my this thing, but yeah, you can see it's a real account, real Exness 18. And on Exness you cannot fake any results. This is real on a gold, and I just took this trade and it is going up. And even yesterday, if I had taken these trades, okay, I was taking the trades but I exited very early, otherwise we could have made all these profits, such insane profits. Just my $500 whatever dollar account I had yesterday, that account could have gotten more than $3000-4000 in profits, which is insane. But I closed the trades too early, so today I'm trying to get a very good entry. I already got a good entry from here, and these arrows are new. On my last versions you didn't have arrows. These arrows are a game changer because you exactly will know where to place the trade. And also I will explain how to place the arrows. Like, you cannot trade all the arrows, you have to know how the strategy works now. So if you don't understand anything that I explained, you can also read in here as I was showing. Wait, so in here you can read upgraded instruction. So if you don't understand the strategy anything, just read it, how to get a sell entry, when to place a sell entry or a buy entry. And also these instructions are important. Never trade on a news event. I think I didn't say on my last videos, you never should trade before the news event, and always close the trades before news. And whatever pairs you use, just see the news event for that. Okay, these are the pairs you should use. Time frame 5 or 15 minutes is best. 30 minutes above is very slow, you will not get a good entry. 5 or 15 minutes is best. For me, my favorite time is 15 minutes. 15 minutes is my favorite. Best time zone, I will say from 11:30 is best, because after 12 the volume of market will be more. So just place it after 11:30. I'm already getting alerts for another trade on my phone. So all these pairs I will remove. I just want to keep only 2 pairs, otherwise I get so much alerts on my phone. Okay, and you will get alerts. Okay, you will get alerts. And remember how to set alerts. You have to go to options, and in here you have to type your MetaQuotes ID. I have shown on my part 2 video, you can check it out. So whatever MetaQuotes ID you give in here, it will automatically send all the trade alerts on your phone, and you can trade instantly whenever you get a alert. Okay, this instruction, just read it. I will just explain directly on the chart how to spot these things. Okay, otherwise this video will be too long. And also for doubling the account, this thing was not shared on the last videos, but if you want to double the account, you have to have the minimum balance as $200 and place lot size as given. For currency it should be one lot size, and you can keep on placing trades like this. Otherwise you can place directly on here, directly whatever lots you want to place, and you don't need to place these things like buy or sell stop, otherwise it will take a long time. And on gold also I have explained what to do. Okay, these things just read it, then you will be able to double your accounts like me. Okay, and also how to copy, like how to get this indicator. You have to be on my referral, and once you get the indicator link, just click on download like this. Okay, download, and it should be giving you this indicators in here, and wow, you can see the profits in the background, $700 plus, and my account is less than $600. So yeah, that's like double my account, and we will be touching the take profit. So let's try to increase it more. I want to get up to the highest level possible. I don't want to like stop out too easily. Okay, we are going to book a profit right on the video, you can see, and we are going to book almost $800 plus. Man, nice. Okay, let's close this one also. We are done for the day, and yeah, this is, you can see while making the video itself I made over $795. This is real money. Take a screenshot, whatever you want to take, just with 2 trades on an account less than $600. I made more than my capital, doubled. And yeah, it's a real money. I can just withdraw if you want. I can just withdraw, but I will just hold on. I will get for more entries. But yeah, while I'm explaining, I'm making more than $700, which is double my capital. So yeah, this is enough proof for you, and it's free that you want to get. Okay, once you get the file, it will look like this GIF file, and you can click on extract all, or if you have the file 7-zip, just extract. Once you extract, you will get these 2 folders. Okay, just copy these 2 folders. Other files you just need to read, you don't need to copy. Once you copy, just go to file, whatever MT4 you have, go to file, open data folder, and just paste it in here, and it will paste in here. I already have the file, so I will not replace again. So once you get the file, everything, just go in here, in any tab, whatever it's open, just right click anywhere and click on refresh. That's all. Once you are done, you have to open whatever charts you want to use. Let's say this chart. I will just show how to apply. Just click on load, and you will get these 2 files, currency or gold. Maybe the name will be different, it depends whatever name I have given. So on currency, just apply like this, and yeah, it's done. Boom, it will be placed on your chart. And now let's talk about how to get like how to spot trades and everything. Right now my trades are not running, so I am free. Let's explain everything. And in here, okay, so 2 charts are open. Let's talk about currency, how to spot a trade. It's very simple. First of all, you have to wait for this alerts coming. It will come on your phone, whatever you set up. I have already told, again I am telling how to set up alerts. Just click on tools, go to options, and in here find the notification tab, and in here you have to give your MetaQuest ID, which I have said on my last video. I don't want to connect my phone and this video will be too long, so just find this option. Even on your iPhone you will get, on a Android or your iPad, whatever you have, just download MT4 and get this ID and paste in here. You will get all notifications in the phone. And now very simple, the arrows mean green means buy, which is like taking a buy order. If it's a red, it's a sell order. And yeah, that's all. It's very simple. And whenever you get the trade alerts on your phone, you have to wait at least 5 minutes to 7 minutes if you are using 15 minutes candle. Okay, if you are using 15 minutes candle from the time you are getting the alerts, let's say I'm getting this alert, I will not place the trades immediately. Okay, never place the trades immediately. You have to wait. Okay, 5 to 7 minutes. Okay, as I've said, you have to wait 5 to 7 minutes and just keep on checking the chart. This arrow should be very strong, okay, very strong, not like this arrows. Let's say this one, it's a very small arrow, small candle. Don't place trades on small candles because maybe the market will reverse. You can see in here many times market reverse, there was a big sell arrow, but if you didn't wait, it can just go up very easily. And also if you notice this candle, wherever it started, if you follow the RSI pattern, you can place your stop loss in here, okay, because market doesn't go above like that. You can see all the next candles were very down, and your take profit can be on this levels, okay. Let's say you took this trade, okay, this trade you took, your stop loss should be here, okay. And let's say you took the trade in here because you were waiting 5 to 7 minutes for the trade. So this is your trade, okay, where you place the trade, and this will be your take profit, okay. Wherever you want to book the profit, it will be your take profit. And the take profit is given on my settings, but you can increase or decrease, okay. If you want to increase the lot size or reduce the lot size on trade resistant, which is given by with the files, it will look like this. You can reduce from here. Let's say you want to place only 0.01 lot, you can place from here, or you can just stay on one lot, okay. Now next thing is let's talk about the lines, okay. You have to click on lines to get this option. Many people were saying like I'm not able to place a buy or a sell trade. So this is how you do it. Let's say you want to place this sell trade, so the stop loss will be here, and let's say your trade was in here, like let's say you placed a trade in here, and you should drag it like this, place the stop loss which is only for 4 pips, and you can see the profit is almost like 168 TP. You can read in here, okay. TP is 168, sell limit or buy limit, whatever it says, and SL. If you don't want to place the trade immediately, you should click on these options like buy or sell. If it's a sell, then place sell, and buy or sell stop will be immediately set in here. If you put the put it below the candle, then it's sell stop. If it's above the candle where the market is already passed, okay, already gone past this level, then you will place sell limit. And if it's below the market, then it's sell stop, okay. Remember this thing. And same thing for buy. You have to just drag this thing, and then you will get your buy orders. Let's say I'm placing this buy order because it's a buy order, okay. So it is this much only, so don't place these trades. Now let's talk about the strategy changes, because otherwise you will not understand, okay. You understood how to use trade resistant. Now let's talk about the next strategy changes. The first thing, last things are the same. If the parabolics are formed in above the candle, it means market will go down. So always only look for sell entries like this trade, sell, this trade, sell, any trade. But you also have to check, okay, with this parabolic, you also have to check if the MACD is following that pattern. So if you notice, it is saying sell, but MACD is going upward, so don't place these trades. And if you notice, if you don't place these trades in here, you will not make any loss, okay, because in here there's a lot of chance, like these candles are not good. It is showing parabolic is going down, but MACD is showing a pattern like it's still up, okay, it's going up. So don't place these trades because it's not good. Where you should place trades, like in here, let's say you can see MACD is going up, so market is going buy. So all these trades, if you had placed such a big profit, just see, take profit will be in here. If you had placed this trade from this candle, okay, just see if you let's talk about how much profits you have made on a good trade, okay. In here, let's say this candle you place trade, and in here you place the trade which is a bit above the candle. The stop loss is in here only for 4 pips, and see the take profit, 340 take profit. If you had placed only one lot, you would have made $340. just from one trade, just from one trade. And if you had lost this trade, only $40 loss, which is insane how much profits you would have made if you were taking this trade. And this is from yesterday's news event. How much accurate this thing is, just see. You have to just see if the MACD is going upwards, okay? And also this thing should be printed, the parabolic. You can see parabolic is printed below. Below means market will go up, okay? Market will go up. Also another thing you should look is all this thing, this one, this line. You see this blue line, which is the moving average, okay? If the moving average, if the candle is passing the moving average, then only take a trade, okay? If it's above, the candle is above the moving average, it means you can take buy trades. And if the candle, like this candles, are below the moving average, then take sell trades, okay? So for example, in here you can see, in here it's very clear. Also you can see this like even right now, if you see this chart in here, you should not take this buy orders till the moving average, it's above the moving average. But in here you can see market is very consolidated, like MACD is not big enough, so don't take any trades till there's more volume, like this way. When the MACD is more stronger, then only take trades. Just take a break whenever you see the market is very like sideways going like this. We only take trade in the time frames. I have said timings, I have said like 11:30 a.m. maybe the timing will be different for you, okay? In your country the timing will be different, so just check as per India time when you should trade, okay? From 11:30 a.m. is best because the volume will like almost about to start beginning, and before 12 it's better to place some trades, okay? Before 12 it's better entries. And right now I'm doing gold only because gold is better. And gold also same thing, okay? Let's talk about some trades. In here you can see this is below the moving average, but sometimes you have to take a bet, okay? You have to take a bet. In here this was a very good entry, so I took the trades in here. If you had taken a trade in here, even though it's below the moving average, you would have made insane profits. This is like more than $4,000 $5,000 in profit, which is yesterday. So I will also show you the profits. I will not even boost, I will just say how much profits you would have made. Let's say you made a trade from here, okay? So just see the profits, insane. And let's say this candle you used, this one, okay? This candle, a bit bigger one, okay? And this is a guess, okay? Sometimes you can take the risk and place trades early, and you can see the stop loss is only $83, and if you have made a profit, that's like $1,500 in profit. Like insane profits, insane. And sometimes you have to take a bet, because sometimes you may get a very good entry and maybe the moving average is still not above or below, because if it's below then it means sell. But yeah, if you had taken this trade even though it's below the moving average, you would have made this profit. And I took the bet because every time the stop loss is very low. So if you feel like, if you have the experience, and also other factors were working, like moving average was going upwards, and I saw that parabolic was keep on forming buy trades, okay? So I took a bet like it's going to go up. So yeah, but I didn't hold, I just closed in here or somewhere, okay? I didn't hold up to here because yesterday was GDP news or something. So thanks for watching till here. Sorry it's too long. If you have any more questions still, you can ask me, but yeah, this video is getting too long, so I will close it. But yeah, you saw doubling my account live while explaining. I had to close the trades while explaining. So thanks for watching. See you on my next videos. Till then, bye.
Yo, I ain't here for the money, I ain't here for the fame. Though it might be nice to own a jet plane, I'ma do it all for you. Come along and see it's true, but the world is pretty cold, you might need a sweater too.